guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I got my lashes to look like this at home, and it was under $20 and only took 20 minutes, not even, to do. So if you guys would like to see how I did my own lashes at home, continue watching. If you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. You already know, like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, listen, this is my first time trying these lashes, so yeah, I have faith that they will come out right. No. So let me show you the things that I got, and you can get this from your local beauty supply store. And I think all this stuff, do I have the receipt? Of course not. I think all this stuff came out to like $14 and change. So I have the Kiss Ultra Black Premium I Envy Flare Short, this one right here, and then I have I Envy Ultra Black Medium, that right there, and the individual lash glue adhesive. I hope this does not burn my goddamn eyes, but we're gonna find out. So yeah, don't mind the wild hair. Today's Friday, I'm going to get my hair done. So that's another reason why, like, you know what, let me do my lashes real quick before I get my hair done. So then at least my hair will be done and my lashes will be done, and I'm gonna try to go get my eyebrows done before my hair. So let's see if I have time. But I have my camera here, and we're gonna get started. So what I will be doing, because if you don't know, I am a lash tech in Atlanta. So if you need your lashes done or your teeth whitening and you live in Atlanta, come to me, girls. I will take care of you. Instagram is lavishLooks_by Kiki, and yeah, I will get you right. But I'm going to be doing, because I told you I have medium and short, so I'm doing short in the inner and then go out to medium, because I don't like long lashes, and you never want to put long in the beginning. You should never do that. You won't like it. So yeah, so this is what they look like. So I'm gonna put them under. What the fuck? So yeah, I'm going to put them under. Why didn't I bring a scrunchie? Like, come on, girl. Hold on. Mirror right here. So if you see me looking over, it's because I'm looking at my mirror. I cannot look at the camera and try to put some lashes on, but then poke myself in the eye. So I have my spoolie to brush. Like I said, I am a lash tech, so I have the glue rings to put my glue in, and I have my tweezers. So yeah, you need something to put your lash glue in, your lash trays, and your tweezers. And let me get my fan just in case. And I have my fan. This is the fan that I use when I'm doing people's lashes. I need to charge it because I do have lashes to do today. So I'm just going to shake up my glue, because that's what I always do. I just shook the damn camera. Alright. Let's see, guys. Woo, I hope this comes out good. It says, pour a few drops of adhesive onto a piece of aluminum foil, which is not included, of course. Dip the knotted end of lash into adhesive. Place lash right above your natural lash and hold for a few seconds. In this case, I'm doing it under, and you will see. And it's waterproof and long lasting, so I hope this shit lasts me 2 weeks. So, here goes nothing. Oh. Okay. Pour some out first. That look watered. That look watered down, and no. This look more like how glue should look. So I advise you to shake it up, pour some that you're gonna discard, because this should look like black like this, you know. So guys, should I start on, let's start on the end first, because I'm nervous. You hear me? I'm nervous. So let's see. Lord, please let these lashes look nice, or I'm gonna be mad. So, I'm gonna dip it in my glue, like so. And then, I want y'all to see too, shit. I'm gonna go under, like that. Like that. And hold it. Oh shit, hold on. Make sure you put them in the right direction. You don't want your shit to be all crooked looking. Let's dry it. Listen. Alright, let's sing. Just keep in mind, I had some lashes on and them shits kept falling out. And yeah, I pulled them. I rubbed them all out. So, yeah. Let's do the next one. So maybe I should, because I'm going under. Get it on the top. Lift up that eyelid and go right next to the other one. Go right next to the other one like that. Okay? So you want them to be right next to each other. And when you placing it, just be careful, because you don't want to accidentally go too far into your lash line and end up touching your eyeball or getting glue in your eye. So just make sure you getting it close enough, but not too close that you are too close to your lash line. See? I don't know if y'all can see, but alright, so let's just finish this, and I'm just gonna not talk through the rest of it. Just watch.
I would like to get to know if it could be the kind.
Okay, so you see I started with short. It's too short for me. It looks like I have nothing on. And I'm not feeling it. Not sticking. I'm going to Beauty Spot store. Get the same ones, but large. So I'm going to do medium and large. Long. Medium and long. And I'm going to end up using my lash glue, because this, it's not going to work. It's not going to fucking work. Because look. Watch this. No. No. Fraud. Okay, guys. I'm back. As you can see, it's a whole new day. Today is Saturday. So I didn't get to finish my lashes yesterday like I wanted to, because the glue didn't work. The lashes was too short, so I had to go get everything again. Thought I was going to have time to film, and I didn't, because I had lashes and stuff to do, and I went and got my hair done. You see? My hair. So now I need my lashes, and I got my eyebrows done, so now I need my lashes. So I went to the Beauty Spot store. These were $4.99, and I got this one. 3D, not free, long. So now I'm going to do the medium and the long. The medium ones at the beginning and the long at the end. And I'm not using this shit. No, 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 no. You saw how I just pulled those lashes off. No, I'm going to have to end up using my lash glue that I use when I'm doing lashes. I just pray it doesn't burn. So we'll see. But I got my fan just in case. So we're going to start with the long length first, and then we're going to go to the medium. Ashad, can you stop, please? Please, please, please. Remember, you're going under the eyelid lash. Not too close to the eyelid. Just like that. So now go to your next section. Get it as close as you can. Okay. So just like that. So I'm going to finish doing that throughout the rest. I'll be back in a second.
You, I feel something, tell me that you're the kind of guy that should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it wrong, then it be.
Okay, guys, I'm just blow drying, just drying my eye real quick. Oh my god, guys, they came out so bomb. They were quick. It probably only took me 20 minutes, if that, because this eye literally took like 7 minutes. And look, guys. Because I use my lash extension glue, that's why I have burning. Like slight burning, nothing crazy. So it was very easy to do, guys. Yes, I'm in love. This is about to be my new thing. Come here, Dada. Don't waste your time on this. So you can have do your lashes at home for under $20 in 20 minutes. Simple. Look, you wouldn't know I did this myself. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to hit like. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, you already know, be safe. Peace.